Welcome to Laundryverse. Here's how one system runs your whole laundry shop, from the front counter to the back of house to your dashboard. When you sign in, you land on your dashboard. This is your control center for the whole shop. Open the Open POS page from the menu on the left. This is where you find your store code. Your store code links your phones and tablets to your shop. Download the Laundryverse apps from the Play Store, then connect each one with this code or by scanning the QR. On your front counter tablet, open the Laundryverse POS app. It's free to download from the Play Store. The first time, the app asks for your store code. Type in the code from your dashboard and tap Continue. Then log in with your PIN. That's it. Next time, the app remembers your shop and goes straight to the PIN. Enter the physical cash currently in your drawer to start the shift. Tap Open Shift to begin your day. Your shift is open, and the order board is ready for the day's orders. Open the menu and tap Sales to open the register. Tap Items to add them to the cart. The cart panel on the right shows quantities and the running total. Tap Attach Customer to link this order to a customer. Search for a customer by name or phone number. Tap the customer to view their details, then tap Attach Customer. Tap the green Charge button to open the checkout. Tap Exact to match the total amount. Tap Add Cash Payment to commit the payment. Tap Charge again to finalize the order. Your first order is in, the receipt prints, and the order moves onto the board, ready for the floor. This is the order board. It organizes all your active orders into columns by their scheduled pickup date, so your team always knows what needs attention next. Each column header shows 2 counts, the total loads in that column and how many are still being processed. Every order is a card showing the customer name, the processing status, and whether it is paid, all at a glance. Use the search bar to find any order by customer name, phone number, or ticket number. Open the filter to narrow the board to paid, unpaid, or pending orders. To reschedule an order, drag its card into a different date column. The new pickup date saves immediately. Tap any card to open its detail page, where you advance loads, claim orders, and print receipts. In the back room, open the Laundryverse Stations app on any phone or tablet. It's also free on the Play Store. Enter the same store code from your dashboard and tap Continue, just like you did on the counter tablet. Then log in with your PIN. Each staff member has their own. The app remembers your shop after the first time. When you open Stations, tap the Clock In button to start your work session. The device will capture your location for verification. Once clocked in, you'll see station cards for wash, dry, pack, and claim. Each shows a badge with the number of pending orders. When you're done, tap the Clock Out bar to open the confirmation dialog and record your work hours. Use the Check Order Scanner to look up any order by scanning its QR label. This opens the order detail page. Each load is displayed as a card showing its type, current status badge, and who last processed it. Every load starts as received when a customer drops off their laundry. As each load moves through your shop, you advance it by scanning its QR label. Tap Scan QR to open the scanner. When a load finishes washing, scan its label and it advances to washed instantly. Scan it again after drying and it moves to dried. Once it's folded and packed, one more scan marks it packed and ready for pickup. And if SMS notifications are turned on, your customer is texted automatically at each step so they know the moment their laundry is ready. When the customer arrives to collect their laundry, scan the receipt one last time to mark the whole order. Claimed. The cash drawer screen shows the active shift, expected cash, and every pay-in or payout so far. Tap Pay-in to record cash entering the drawer outside of a sale, like change top-ups, customer overpayments, or starting cash adjustments. Pick a preset reason like starting cash top-up, or type your own, then enter the amount the reason shows on the shift report. Tap Payout to record cash leaving the drawer for supplies, petty cash, or change. Each movement updates the expected cash total instantly. Tap Close Shift when the shift is done to start the closing flow. Enter the total amount of physical cash counted in the drawer. Choose how much cash to withdraw from the drawer. The remaining amount stays for the next shift. Because this account can view shift reports, the closing screen shows the full breakdown, the cash drawer reconciliation, a sales summary, and the variance between expected and counted cash. A cashier closing the shift sees a simpler confirmation instead, while managers and owners get this complete report. Either way, the shift is now closed. The Items page is where you manage your laundry services, prices, and how they appear on the POS. Click Items under Catalog in the sidebar to open the Items table. Each row shows the price, stock category, service tag, dry count, and POS card settings. Toggle Show on Card so the item's icon shows on every order card in the POS order board. Useful for staff to scan what an order contains at a glance. Set the service tag to classify the item, then click Save Settings to apply your bulk changes. Drop-off indicator also auto-creates an order on the order board every time this item rings up. Dry count tracks how many dryer cycles each item uses, which feeds your LPG consumption reports. Click Add Item to create a new service from scratch. Fill in the name and price. Turn on Track Stock if you want per-store inventory counts. Click Categories to manage the groupings that show up as filter tabs on the POS register. The Employees page lists everyone who can clock into your shop. Each one gets a 4-digit PIN to sign into the POS. Click Employees under Staff and Payroll in the sidebar to open the list. Each row shows the employee's name, assigned store, 4-digit role, and active status. Tap the eye icon to reveal a masked PIN. Click Add Employee to open the new employee form. Type the employee's first and last name. These are what cashiers and the order board will show. Set a 4-digit PIN or tap Generate for a random one. The employee will use this code at the POS PIN screen. Pick at least one store and one role. Stores control where the employee can sign in, the role controls what they can do once they're in. The roles page is where you decide what each employee can do, both at the counter and in the back office. Define a role once, then attach it to as many employees as you need. Click Roles under Staff and Payroll in the sidebar to open the list. Laundryverse ships with 4 default roles: Owner, Admin, Manager, and Cashier. Owner is locked. The other 3 can be customized or used as templates. Click Add Role to build a custom role from scratch. Type a name for the new role. Keep it short and specific so it reads clearly in the Employees table. Permissions split into 2 areas. Point of Sale covers the counter tablet. Dashboard covers the back office. Each area groups its permissions into categories for quick scanning. Tick a category checkbox to toggle every permission in that group at once. Use the individual checkboxes below it for finer control. The SMS page sends automated pickup notifications to your customers so they know when their laundry is ready. Pick a sender name. The free default lets you start sending today. A custom branded name costs 300 pesos per month and takes a few business days for telco approval. Edit the message template. Placeholders for customer name, store name, and receipt number get filled in automatically. Keep it under 160 characters to stay at 1 credit per SMS. This is the master switch. It controls whether any SMS is sent at all. Green banner means SMS is on. Tap the master switch to turn it off. The banner turns amber and every child toggle below dims out. No SMS will be sent until you turn it back on. Tap it again to turn SMS back on. The banner goes green and the child toggles light back up. Each SMS costs 60 centavos. Tap Buy Credits to top up your balance. Choose a credit pack or enter a custom amount and pay online. That's Laundryverse, from the first order to the closing report. Sign in to set it up for your own shop and visit the Help Center to go deeper on any step.